Kung kuna na di ba isang kabasak? Kung kuna na mo di may isa na eh. So wala nagtakal isam di lalaki di likod akong kuna na ba? Kamaw. Ah sige. Salang mon. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the beloved and of course, a beautiful Vice Mayor of Paraceles Mountain Province, Vice Mayor De Charma Rafael Chakla. Good evening, Madam. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountain, growing like a breeze. San Mateo road, bypass road, kabat one road, Aurora road, nagkaroon od, injay la od, ni uncle ko, katutog ay, kabaling. All my memories gather around her, minus a lady, stranger deep blue water, Angkay, kan ano, kasak, apa nyakit kita nyo, jay nga tao. Ay, sumbalagayan to kumikita, jay. Madama nga, dati ne, agdindin na kay nga lamok. Pati lamok. Ape, ganun. Sige. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty days of moonshine, here walking my eyes, Manuel Road, Rojas Road, Simakbot Road, Palatin, nandiyan na kayo kaya kaman. Palitod gayam, pakinod kung kuna mo tatayan. Ulitan tayo kwa. San Manuel Road. San Manuel Road. Roas Road. Simakbot Road. Palatin Road. Nagkaroon od. Injay lang od. And the loud. Yeah, boy. I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Animal Kitty, Ananga Road, Kapitan nga Road, Nalate nga Road. Ay! Silaman naman ni Kapitanon. Tertiraan kung kunana. Anak ako, damdamadjay ako. Naliimo nga si Mang Pert. No mauna anak, ijay barangay hall kapitan ko na kanya na. Hang kapag pagtagarian ko na. Naudi mo. Kababaeng kinibay si Mayor ko na.